నా దృష్టిలో ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ కొంచెం ఈసీ ఎక్కువ చేయవా. నా దృష్టిలో ఇట్స్ ఆల్వేస్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్ దట్ ఈస్ ద కింగ్. అండ్ వింటున్నాను, రకరకాల స్టోరీస్ వస్తున్నాయి. అండ్ I want to make sure the first 3 movies that I make are going to be very content driven, very interesting stories. I want to tell stories. I'm a good storyteller అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు. I like to have multiple threads in the plot line. Sort of visual storytelling అనేది ఉండాలి, intelligent screenplay అనేది ఉండాలి, dialogues should be written very well, and there's a little bit of pre-production that goes into movies kabatti a few rehearsals are also very important. We need to sort of understand the character. Okay, there was a small problem. We're back now. I lost connection for a second. So what's up? Hi Shiva, hi Nikki, hi Anjanalu. Okay, we're going. Hi Pavan. What's up? Hey guys, so what's going on? How's life? What's keeping you busy? Hello. Hi all. Welcome to the live. Atalpo. Sorry, I wanted to sit and chat in one place, but it's really busy. It's super hectic, and yeah, so here we are. Any which way. Left ka aapko Shipa, left ka aapko best. Yeah, that's good. So guys, what's up? Let's just wait for everybody to join so that we can start chatting. అవును, అసలు ఈ 4 నెలల్లో హైదరాబాద్ రోడ్లకి ఏమైనాయి అసలు? ఇంత మంచిగా తయారైనాయి. వెరీ నైస్. Hey guys, what's up? Hi Narendra, I'm good. How are you? Good. I'm all well, guys. I'm good. It's Prasanna na. Who's this? Somebody shares my mom's name. That's very nice. I just stopped to chat with you guys. I'm on my way to a meeting, but that can wait. Kavati, how's it going? I'm good. How are you? So how's life, guys? How are you guys spending your time? I hope y'all are staying safe. అందరు జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండండి. ఈ కోవిడ్ గోల్ ఏంటో తగ్గలేనట్టుంది ఇంకా. What's up? Where am I from? I'm from Hyderabad. I'm a pakka Hyderabadi. Yeah, జాగ్రత్తగా ఉంటున్నాను, జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నాను. Okay, so the purpose of doing this live, I think we should get started. ఇప్పుడు ఈ లైవ్ ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాం అంటే, బయటకు వచ్చి చూసిన తర్వాత కోవిడ్ ఇంకా తగ్గలేదు, అండ్ it's become quite a problem to sort of make fan meets happen, it's becoming risky. It's more of a health hazard laga అయిపోతుంది. So, what is the best way to make this happen అన్నట్టుగా అనుకున్నాము, and we figured going live on Instagram and chatting with you guys is the best way to do it. Definitely ఈ కోవిడ్ ఇదంతా తగ్గిన తర్వాత I'm gonna come and see you guys. I would love to do a tour of AP, Telangana, maybe Bangalore and Chennai and all the other places that you guys are sending me so much love from. But here's the deal, right? Like, the problem with COVID is we're supposed to be avoiding mass gatherings. So the responsible ga undadu on my behalf to make these meets happen, and it is in mine and your best interests that we sort of avoid doing these physical meets. But I wanted to do this live so that I can still come and chat with all of you guys and answer any questions that you guys have. I know that you guys have been like all around. You're like you want to know what's happening and whatnot. So outundi work is going on all fronts, and I think the idea is to sort of make a good film. I'm listening to scripts, chala scripts vastunnayi. I want to do something interesting, and picking the right script and doing a very interesting story is sort of what I'm looking to do right now. So నా దృష్టిలో it's always కొంచెం ఈసీ ఎక్కువ నా దృష్టిలో it's always the script that is the king, and వింటున్నాను రకరకాల స్టోరీస్ వస్తున్నాయి, and I want to make sure the first 3 movies that I make are going to be very content driven, very interesting stories. I want to tell stories. I'm a good storyteller అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు. I like to have multiple threads in the plot line, sort of visual storytelling అనేది ఉండాలి, intelligent screenplay అనేది ఉండాలి, dialogues should be written very well, and there's a little bit of pre-production that goes into movies kabatti a few rehearsals are also very important. We need to sort of understand the character, figure out what will work for me and what people want to see, what you guys want to see. So itvantivi sort of getting all of these things together in the right combination is definitely a challenge, and we're working on it. We're working very hard, rest assured. I'm going to make a good film for sure. And so that's the plan. We'll I don't know if making an announcement or anything makes any sense at this point, kani oka manchi cinema tho aithe I'm going to make sure I see you guys again in the big screen. So all efforts are happening right now. What's up with you guys? Naku what questions do you guys have? I want to talk to you guys. Cheppandi. Addalu, you guys want me to take my addalu off? Okay? What's up? Hi Akila, what's happening? Hi Nishit, what's up? How you been, dude? Okay, we'll try and get like another meet for mom as well. I think all of you guys want to meet her. కానీ చాలా భయం అవుతుంది. ఎట్లుందంటే తగ్గట్లేదు నాకేమో. మా నాన్నమ్మ ఉన్నారు ఇంట్లో, షీఈ్ 87, and I'm really concerned for her. God's grace, none of us have contracted COVID. I'm really scared for them. So Kalvatalu, I'm maintaining social distancing. I'm trying to keep it very real. So all that is happening. Movie work is happening, bro. It's very chala అడగడం చాలా ఈజీ. అంటే ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఆ ప్రాసెస్ అనేది కొంచెం కాంప్లికేటెడ్ ప్రాసెస్ అది, ఎందుకంటే స్క్రిప్ట్ ఇస్ ద మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఫస్ట్. సో స్క్రిప్ట్ దగ్గరే 100% సాటిస్ఫై అవుతూనే ఐ నీడ్ టు మేక్ దట్ నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్. అండ్ స్క్రిప్ట్ విషయంలో చాలా ఉంటాయి. ఐ లుక్ ఇన్ టు ఎవ్రీ డీటెయిల్. Every dialogue is important, and we all need to feel like the director, me, the producer, we all need to feel like, you know, this is the right time to go for shoot అన్నట్టుగా అనిపించాలి మా అందరికీ. అండ్ చాలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది. ఒక 4, 5, 6 verticals మీద parallelly there is work happening. So all you know, single-handedly I'm sort of like trying to make sure I put it all together. But like I said, scripts, the focus is on the scripts. I'm listening to scripts as much as humanly possible. పొద్దున్న సాయంత్రం దాకా స్క్రిప్ట్ డిస్కషన్స్, స్క్రిప్ట్ రీడింగ్స్ ఇటువంటివి అవుతున్నాయి. You know, getting about like 3 to 4 stories, trying to get in more per day. So it's nice, it's a good space to be in. You know, there's a lot of young guys out there with a lot of content, very intelligent storytelling unnai. So something refreshing, something intelligent, something contemporary. You know, oka manchi cinema ante are this is a good movie, this is interesting annatuga I want to do this annatuga నాకు అనిపించాలి. And you know, it's a very creative, it's a very pure, it's a very honest effort kada filmmaking anedi. So so all those efforts are happening. I'm sort of a little disconnected right now. I just wanted to meet you guys. You know, I'm not doing anything else. All I'm trying to do is focus on my narrations and my you know, script discussions and that sort of thing. So yeah, so I think this Friday we all wanted to come and meet you, so that's why this live is happening. Yeah, jarutunai script selections are happening. There is definitely a lot of content that is very interesting. So yeah, we're working. There's a lot of work happening on that front for sure. Hi Vittal, hi Monica. Hi Bhargavi. Hey Kirtana, what's up? I am. I love my Instagram family. I mean, you guys are not FAN, you guys are FAM. You guys are fam. I you know, బయటకు వచ్చిన తర్వాత I think after I took over my Instagram page, I'm sort of handling it myself, and ఒక్క పేజ్ కంటే ఎక్కువ పోస్ట్ చేయడం అనేది ఒక పెద్ద టాస్క్ నాకు. సో ఐమ్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు కీప్ ఇట్ ఆర్గనైజ్డ్. ఎవ్రీ ఈవినింగ్ దేర్ ఇస్ యూజువల్లీ అ పోస్ట్ అవుట్. You know, maybe 1, maybe 2 if I'm feeling, you know, if I'm feeling adventurous, I'll probably put 2 posts. But yeah, I'm gonna try and keep it interesting. I'm here, I'm on Instagram, so please stay updated. Follow me here if you want to like stay connected. Yeah. Hi Nandini. Hi Siddhima. Hey, hi Nagaraja. Hi Nikhil, what's up? Hi Pavani. Hey Asha, what's up? Love back to Karimnagar. Hi Shreya. Yes, I had my lunch. Mirandar bonchesara. I had my lunch. అందుకే కొంచెం లేట్ అయింది. I think I'm 5 minutes late కదా to the live. I'm on my way to a meeting. I thought I'll do this live on the way. So signal undali kada. So if I'm sort of moving, then there's no signal. But yeah. Hey guys, what's up? So Chappan, do you guys have any interesting questions for me that I can answer? Lot of highs. Hi to everybody. No more highs. Adigandi questions, adigandi. I want to talk to you guys. I want to chat. Thanks man. A lot of love to all you guys. Anni chautunanu. So మీ అందరికీ విషయం చెప్పాలి. So okay, no remove your specs. Okay fine, I'll remove my specs. ఎండ చంపేస్తుంది. But yeah, it's okay. సో ఇవన్నిటికీ నేను కొంచెం కొత్త. ఐ థింక్ ఇన్స్టా లైవ్ కానీ ట్విట్టర్ కానీ సోషల్ మీడియా అనేది ఐఎమ్ నాట్ సూపర్ సోషల్ మీడియా ఫ్రెండ్లీ, బట్ ఐఎమ్ ట్రయింగ్ టు కీప్ అప్ విత్ యూ గైజ్. ఎందుకంటే దిస్ ఇస్ వేర్ ఆల్ ది యాక్షన్ ఇస్. ఐ బిలీవ్ ఐఎమ్ బీయింగ్ టోల్డ్. సో ఐ థింక్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బెస్ట్ ప్లేస్ టు స్టే కనెక్టెడ్ టు ఆల్ యూ గైజ్. ఇక్కడ అందరితో మాట్లాడవచ్చు కదా. ఐ థింక్ సో, రైట్? యా. So yeah, let's be on Instagram, I guess. ఇవన్నిటికంటే ఎక్కువ ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ వర్క్, లైక్ యునో నాకు సినిమాలు తీయడం అంటే ఇష్టము, అండ్ యునో మూవీస్ ఇస్ వేర్ ఐ బిలాంగ్, అండ్ యా, సో సోషల్ మీడియా అనేది కొంచెం నేర్చుకోవాలి, నేను మెల్లిమెల్లిగా నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను ఇప్పుడు. సో లైవ్ ఏంటి, యూనో ఇన్స్టాగ్రామ్ ఏంటి, యూనో పోస్టింగ్ ఏంటి, స్టోరీస్ ఏంటి, ట్విట్టర్ ఏంటి, ఫేస్బుక్ ఏంటి, ఇవన్నీ నేను నేర్చుకోవాలి కొంచెం. సో యా, వైజాగ్ అనేది వద్దాం అనుకున్నాను. యాక్చువల్లీ వీ వర్ సపోజ్ టు మేక్ ట్రిప్, బట్ I think 31st లోపే వద్దాం అనుకున్నాను, బట్ దే weren't giving us permission to hold an event in Vizag. కాబట్టి we had to put it off. Government wasn't giving us permission. And also I think we have to understand that, you know, having gatherings at this point, ఒక second wave లాగా వస్తుంది, we don't know much about it. So ఎట్లాగో vaccines వస్తున్నాయి, let like the vaccine come out properly, let a few people get vaccinated, and it'll be, you know, slightly safer appudu to do these things. But rest assured, I would definitely going to visit all the cities, all the towns out there. Yeah, and yeah, that goes for every other town guda, you know. Lots of love to you too from Bellary. Lots of love to you too. Guntur ki kuda vastanu, definitely vasta. Hi Lahari. Hi Teju, what's up? Hi Bhavna. Hi Durga. Hey. Yes, Namrata, I also want to see myself in movies. It'll happen very soon. Yeah. Hi Mandira, what's up? Hey Lekha. హాయ్ శ్రీజ, డెఫినెట్గా వస్తాను. శ్రీకాకుళం కూడా వస్తాను తప్పకుండా. చాలా ప్లేసెస్కి రావాలి, వెళ్ళాలి. ఐ వుడ్ లైక్ టు మీట్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ గైస్. గుంటూరు విజయవాడ రెండు ఒకటేసారి ప్లాన్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఇది సిచ్యువేషన్ ఏంటో ఏమో కానీ అసలు బయటికి వెళ్ళి కలవాలి అందరినంటేనే సోషల్ డిస్టెన్సింగ్, మాస్కులు అవన్నీ తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. ఇది ఒకసారి నా మాస్క్ ఇవ్వు. ఇగో ఇట్లాంటివన్నీ వేసుకొని తిరగాల్సి వస్తుంది నాకు. ఏం చేయాలి? ఓకే, బట్ నా ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ ఇస్ ఇఫ్ ఐ డోంట్ వేర్ దిస్ అండ్ ఇఫ్ ఐ ఫాల్ సిక్, నా ఇది ఒక్కటి మీరు అందరూ అర్థం చేసుకుంటే బాగుంటుంది. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఒక 2 weeks నేను ఒకవేళ క్వారంటైన్ చేయాల్సిన అవసరం వచ్చిందంటే నాకు పెద్దగా ఏం కాదు. మై హెల్త్ ఇస్ ప్రిటీ ఓకే, యూనో, టచ్ వుడ్. దేవుడి దయ వల్ల హెల్త్ పర్లేదు, బాగుంది. కానీ ఒకవేళ ఇఫ్ ఐ కాంట్రాక్ట్ అండ్ ఐ టర్న్ కోవిడ్ పాజిటివ్, దెన్ ఐ లూజ్ 2 weeks నౌ. అండ్ ఈ టైంలో నాకు 2 weeks లాస్ అవ్వడం అనేది, యూనో, ఇట్స్ గోనా రియలీ ఎఫెక్ట్ మీ, మై కెరియర్ అండ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్. సో మీ అందరి ముందు మళ్ళీ సినిమాతో రావాలి కాబట్టి లెట్ మీ వర్క్. I would love to meet you guys in person, but I think right now the sensible way forward is to do these virtual meets as much as possible. So hey Hema, what's up? What are you doing on live, man? Go do some work, Hema. Yeah, so I know you guys will be understanding. Rest assured, I'm working very hard to try and make things happen. So all efforts are on the movie front. We're trying to get the projects up and running together and doing them well. Creatively, we have some amazing writers, amazing stories that I'm reading. You know, which has to go up first, which has to go up second. Itlanti discussions outunai, and you know, picking the right story, picking the right content is very important. At this point, we're not understanding sort of థియేట్రికలీ వాట్స్ హ్యాపెనింగ్ అనేది కూడా మెల్లిమెల్లిగా అర్థం చేసుకుంటున్నాను నేను. ఐ థింక్ వీ నీడ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ ద నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాజెక్ట్స్ దట్ ఆర్ lined up for release. So that also I'm getting a grip of now. You know, some of the bigger OTT platforms have some great content lined up, so that also looks good. But my focus right now is primarily on theatrical and theaters, because that's where movies are, right? That's what we're here for, kada? సో అదబ్బా, ఇంకా చెప్పండి, ఇంకేంటి విశేషాలు? టెల్ మీ సంథింగ్ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్ అబౌట్ యూ గైజ్. Suvarna, I'm good. How are you? Thanks, Hemant. Thank you. I love you too. Hey guys. Hey. What's up? Hi. Anisha, what's up? Abhay is good. Rowdy is also good. Thank you for asking. Thank you so much. The car is stopped because we have signal issues. I couldn't stay in one place. I'm running to a meeting, but I had to make this happen. Kabatti, I got into the car and I said, "Hey, let's do this on the way." But we have to stop. There's a few signal issues. I had to cut the first live because of that. But yeah. Hi Samyukta, what's up? Hey Roshan, I'm good. How are you? Hello Andy, Hari Babu, how are you? Yes, నేను తిన్నాను. మీరు తిన్నారా? భోంచేశారా అందరూ? What did you have for lunch? Team Mahatali. Cheers to you too, guys. And yeah. Hi Aishwarya. Hi Paramesh. Hi Yogita. Hi Sai Neeraj. What's up? I'm good. How are you? Mom is good. Mom is also good. I'm on my way to a meeting, guys. Kannada నేర్చుకుంటా. నేర్చుకొని మాట్లాడాలి. I would love to speak in Kannada. I only know one thing. నేను బెంగళూరు పోయినప్పుడల్లా లెఫ్ట్ పోవాలంటే లెఫ్ట్ పోగి అనేటోళ్ళు, రైట్ పోవాలంటే రైట్ పోగి అనేటోళ్ళు. అది ఎంతవరకు కరెక్ట్ నాకు కూడా తెలియదు, బట్ దట్స్ ద ఓన్లీ కన్నడ ఐ నో. Somebody just called me. Yes. Yeah, the professor says hi back to you. Come to Bangalore. Yeah, I think there is a plan. Sorry. Got disconnected for a quick second. Now we're back. Inka cheppandi. Hi Sagarika. Hi Kirti. What's up? Ask me something, guys. If you guys want to know something, that's why I'm here. If you have questions, I'll answer them. And yeah. I'm near Tangbund. I'm on my way out to work. Yeah, I'll definitely come to Bangalore. We'll have like a meet. Kani idantha koncham taggale. COVID is the main problem here, and see, I'm telling you guys again and again, it's still not safe out there. I've been reading about it. There are a couple of strains in India that are super malicious, and we need to be careful about it. ఏ స్ట్రెయిన్ మనం ఏం కాంట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తున్నామో మనకేం అర్థమైతలేదు. కొందరికి వచ్చిపోయినలకు యాంటీబాడీస్ కూడా లేవు. సో we don't know what's happening on that front. Let the vaccine come out. I think the sort of like the phase 4 is happening right now. So let the first line of vaccine trials happen, and let's all be safe. It's not over yet. Kabatti, let's just hold off for some more time. And Elopu, let me also work so that I'm setting up the pipeline properly. And yeah. So right now, na time anta, it's just going into reading scripts, yeah, because it's a very pure process, and finding the right story, and sort of like figuring out what will work, this will work, something that's very interesting. It's a very pure thing. Koncham magic untadi script la. So I really want to enjoy that space right now, just reading content, reading stories, and figuring out the kind of stories that I want to tell. Koni nachtunnayi, but they're not yet at dialogue level. So I'm in touch with those writers, and they're going back to write the script level. So sometimes we need to find a dialogue writer to figure out if they can write well. Okka dialogue writer okka copy rastaru, that takes 2 days, 3 days, and then there's another dialogue writer that comes in, and so there's a lot of work happening. Pre-production is going on, so getting the story right is a task. Simple ga movie announce cheyadam anedi, it's very simple, but that's not what I want to do. I want to make sure I get it right. Creatively, we need to make sure we make the right choices. కాబట్టి ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ అ లిటిల్ వైల్ అంతే. యా ఎస్ ఐ నో వాట్ యువర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టేషన్స్ ఆర్. ఐ నో చూస్తున్నా, అన్నీ చూస్తున్నా. అండ్ యా దట్స్ వాట్ ఐమ్ హియర్ ఫర్, టు మేక్ అ గుడ్ ఫిల్మ్. అండ్ యా సో నేను ఒకటి అడుగుతాను మిమ్మల్ని, మీరందరూ నాకు ఒకటి చెప్పాలి. వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఫిల్మ్ వుడ్ యూ లైక్ టు సీ? సంథింగ్, 3 choices. One is something very edgy and something very contemporary, like something very modern, something, you know, sort of like a breakthrough and sort of like a, you know, something that is in some ways ahead of its time, something like that. Something like a rom-com, very intelligently told, something that's, you know, a very light-hearted drama but has a deeper meaning. There is also a deeper story to be told. And 3, an out-and-out commercial Telugu movie, like proper, like something that's, you know, the proper, like out-and-out classic Telugu movie. It's, you know, navi chachipole types la. Ee mooditlo, what do you guys want to see? Something like this, right? Rom-com. You guys have heard? So 1, 2 or 3, what do you guys want to see? Something that's edgy, something like I don't want to take names, something crazy, like something awesome, a good message for sure. Yeah, message anedi eట్లా untadi. We try to make impactful movies because it's important. Okay, so you guys have to help me out. So between 1, 2 and 3, what do you guys want to see? Something edgy and super modern, something for the family and a rom-com drama, and something like a proper Telugu potboiler types la. Full commercial movie, yeah? 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Venkat, ఒకసారి ఫోన్ ఇవా సార్. వెంకట్ సార్ ఫోన్ ఇవా. Love, okay. Yeah, let's see. I'm trying to figure out what works for me and that sort of thing. Yeah, how about all 3 is what I'm thinking. Exactly. So, ee 3 movies lo, which one comes out first and we're trying to figure out. So all 3 have to sort of hit the floor. Kabatti. Yeah. Yes. All 3 kada? Yeah, even I know. All 3 చేద్దామన్నట్టే ఉన్నా. It's a trick question. That's why I asked you guys. Which one do you want to see? But we're doing all 3. Yeah, I know, man. There's a lot of work to happen. So yeah. Inka cheppandi. Tell me about you guys. Ekkadi nunchi? Where are you guys joining us live from? What are the towns you guys are calling us from? From which cities? ఎక్కడి నుంచి చేస్తున్నారు? Where are you joining the live from? మంచిర్యాల్. సూపర్. అన్ని చేద్దాం, అన్ని ముగ్గురు, అన్ని we're doing all 3. 3 చేద్దాం. నెల్లూరు, వెరీ నైస్. తిరుపతి నుంచి ఉన్నారా ఎవరైనా? తిరుపతి నుంచి ఉన్నారా ఎవరైనా? నేను ఎందుకు అడుగుతున్నా అంటే, మామ్ has been wanting to go to Tirupati for a while and we are trying to figure out how to ఒకసారి దర్శనానికి వెళ్ళాలి తిరుపతికి. అండ్ చిత్తూరులో నా స్కూల్ కూడా ఉంది, సో ఐ మే వాంట్ టు విజిట్ ఫర్ సమ్ టైమ్. So there may be a plan to sort of visit Tirupati. We don't know yet. We don't know anything just yet. We're still figuring out things. But yeah, we may. And yeah, definitely Bangalore, Vizag, and Guntur and Vijayawada. Ivannitki kuda we're going to make a trip soon. Let's see what happens. And America కష్టం అమ్మా, ఇప్పుడు అప్పుడే కాదు. రకరకాలుగా ఉంది ప్రపంచంలో ఇప్పుడు. US will have to wait. you know, maybe fall, end of summer, fall, maybe US will happen. There's so much work happening right now. I don't think I can take a break. I want to focus on work right now. That's more important for me. Yeah. And what else? ఎవరో నాకు హిందీ వచ్చా అని అడిగారు. హిందీ వచ్చమ్మా, హిందీలో మాట్లాడమంటారా ఏంటి? హైదరాబాద్లోకి వస్తుంది మామూలుగా, కొంచెము బాగానే వస్తుంది. కానీ ఇంకా I know, Dhanush, just do the right thing. That's the point. That's the focus. Thank you. Thanks, Veena. Thank you. What precautions am I taking in terms of what? COVID? Like there's a sanitizer in the car. There's yeah, all sorts of things. So there's a sanitizer in the car. There's always a sanitizer. And you know, my regular mask and everything. I don't leave home without this. This is a P100 mask. Chala mandi koncham overkill annattu antaru, but I don't care. I mean, you know, being safe is more important at this point, and that's what matters. So it doesn't matter, like, especially with the number of people I'm meeting, for me it's very important to be safe. And that's just my thing. I like to be very black and white about these things. So yeah, black and white. Being safe is important. For me, for my family, for all of you guys. Sankranti ki special video cheddamu. We'll try to do something special for Sankranti as well. Inkenti, ask me something interesting, guys. Yeah, it is a respirator. That is good. That is also very good. Thank you for asking. Thank you, Adi. Thanks. Yeah, I think truth of it is I haven't like shaved because I mean, you know, I'm gonna let it grow for a bit. Sunday shoot undi, so shoot kosam koncham bearded looks on cheddamani. So yeah. Thanks, Anita. Thank you so much. Yeah, what else? Ash, we're doing a trip, we're doing something. Let's see if it happens. Yeah, there will be another adventure happening very soon. Motorcycle, yeah, motorcycle is also there, no? I'm not doing anything on the motorcycle front together. Yeah, we'll try to do something. ఎక్కడ ఏం ట్రాక్ డేస్ అవ్వట్లేదు, ఎక్కడ ఏం చేయడానికి ఉన్నది. లైక్ దస్ సిటీలోనా మోటార్ సైకిల్ వేసుకొని తిరగలేము. ఎక్కడ తిరుగుతాం, మహా అంటే ఫామ్కి వెళ్ళి రావాలి నేను. అండ్ యా, ఐ థింక్ విల్ డూ అ ట్రాక్ డే. హోప్ఫుల్లీ సంథింగ్ మైట్ బి హ్యాపెనింగ్ అట్ BIC. సో లెట్స్ సీ. Delhi or Madras, one of those two. Yeah. Thanks, Amira. It's very sweet of you. Pawan, my favorite place, huh? My favorite place, I don't know. Like, there's quite a few. I mean, see, like Hyderabad is where I'm born, so it's always special. New York chaala ishtam. I'm very connected to New York City for some reason. I have no idea what it is, but I just love it. Am I a mountain or a beach person? I think I'm a mountain person. Yeah, I think I'm a mountain person. The beaches are good too, but you know, I mean, the mountains are awesome. Yeah. Hi Venkatesh, ఎలా ఉన్నావు? Okay, the next movie is happening, guys. It's going for waffles or pancakes. That's interesting. Can I have both? You know, with some chocolate syrup, please. Yeah. Pancakes with maple syrup, waffles with chocolate syrup. Both are very important. Awesome. Both are nice. Hi Kirti, how are you? Hi Ashok. చాలా ఉన్నాయి అట్లా ఫేవరెట్ కారు బైక్ అంటే చాలా ఉన్నాయి. There's a lot. I like the McLaren F1. It's a very old car. It 3 seats ఉంటాయి. The driver sits in the center. And motorcycle wise, I think it'll probably be the 1098 SP, possibly. Yeah, I like that. Hi Gnaneshwar. Hi Shiva. Forever Dad's Girl. I think my favorite color is undoubtedly black. It depends. It's either red or black. Sometimes blue, but black mostly. Am I missing the house? Big Boss house? I don't know yet. Not yet. I sort of నేను అనుకున్నా హౌస్ లో ఉన్న లాస్ట్ వీక్ లోనే నేను కొంచెం I started sort of missing the place already. Like, you know, I knew we were not going to be here for very long అన్నట్టుగా నాకు అప్పుడే అనిపించింది. అండ్ అదొక 3 days ఉండే. But right now my focus, so yeah, right now my focus is completely on work. In fact, the house is not there anymore, apparently. I think ఎందుకో అన్నపూర్ణకి వెళ్ళాల్సి వచ్చింది recently, and స్టూడియోకి వెళ్ళినప్పుడు it wasn't there. They already dismantled it, I think, the next day. Okay, I'm just going to quickly read through the questions. Both. I don't know. Both. I think downtown is fun, and then midtown is great, and you know, I love just hanging out on like near and around NYU, and it's nice. Thank you, Bhavani. How are you? Favorite food? Yeah, I'm not much of a foodie, man. నా లైఫ్లో పిజ్జా ఉంటే చాలు. I like pizza, and yeah, మమ్మీ ఒకటి చేస్తుంది. ఇట్స్ కాల్డ్ బగరపప్పు అని చేస్తుంది మమ్మీ. అదొక్కటి. Yeah. I don't know. I have a lot of hobbies, man. I do a little stamp collecting. I like reading books. I'm trying to learn new languages. Spanish చదువుకుంటున్నా, నేర్చుకుంటున్నా. Yeah, motorcycling, adventuring, adventure sports, travel. I don't know if that's a hobby, but I don't know. There's a lot of stuff that I like to do. I don't like to sit around in one place. So yeah. Lakshmi Garu, my health is good for now. Physiotherapy is happening on my shoulders, so I'm so happy. That's the best thing about coming out. I'm able to access my physiotherapist, so it's looking good. Thanks, Andy. Thank you so much for asking. I hope you're well. Yes, it's all okay. Hi Ashok, what's up? Yes, Sairam bandana. Do you have a bandana, or what is your deal? Yeah, it's probably the McLaren F1. Yeah, that's the one. Hi Sony. Hi Rekha. హైదరాబాద్ లో ఉన్నాను. And wow. Okay, guys, tell me more, ask me more. What do you guys want to know? Hi Gayatri. Hi Vaishnavi. Mom chala bagunnaru. Thank you so much for asking, Andy. It's very sweet of all of you guys. I will tell her you guys asked. Hi Shruti. సిగ్నల్ కట్ అవుతుంది కదా మన మూవ్ అయితే.
సెక్రటరీ దగ్గర కట్ అవుతుంది.
That's okay. We can wait. Hi Preeti, what's up? Hi Prardhana. Hi Soumya. Hi Sri Kavya. Hi Vakutish. Favorite dressing style is sort of like, casual formal is what I like to be in most of the time. Today I'm just like, I'm not opika takku undi. I just wore a t-shirt and a jacket and I just got out. So, yeah. Hi Sirisha. Hi Abhi. And last movie that I watched, that's an interesting question. Last movie that I watched, I think, was something on Netflix. అదేదో సినిమా ఉండే కదా, క్రిస్ హెమ్స్వర్త్ ఒక సినిమా వచ్చింది ఆన్ నెట్ఫ్లిక్స్. బట్ దట్ వాజ్ లైక్ ద లాస్ట్ మూవీ ఐ వాచ్డ్. ఐ హావెంట్ సీన్ ఎనీథింగ్ ఫర్ అ లాంగ్ టైమ్. హాయ్ వినయ్. Gautami, I'm good. How are you? Hi Sandhya. Extraction, yeah, that's the one. Extraction is what I saw last. It's a long time ago. I haven't seen a good movie actually. నేను ఏంటంటే నేను సినిమాలు ఇప్పుడు ఐఎమ్ నాట్ సూపర్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటేటర్. నాకు ఎవరైనా చూసి ఇది బాగుంది ఇది చూడు అని చెప్తే అప్పుడు వెళ్ళి చూస్తాను. యా. హే అక్షయ్, వాట్సాప్. హాయ్ వాణి. హాయ్ లిఖిత. హాయ్ ప్రవీణ్, వాట్సాప్. లేదు ఇంకా చూడలేదు. ఐ హావెంట్ సీన్ ఎనీ ఆఫ్ ది ఎపిసోడ్స్ yet. To be honest, right now I know you guys as I know you guys are very interested in BB4 and all of that, but I really have not had time to watch any of the episodes. ఎలా ఉందంటే అసలు ఏం చెప్పాలి, it's crazy out here. Like there's 4 verticals that sort of need to be looked into. I've sort of I just want to focus on my script, so those meetings and all of that is happening. Pre-production అనేది చాలా ఉంటుంది. సో ఆ స్క్రిప్ట్ల మీద ఆ లొకేషన్స్ మీద ఆ స్క్రిప్ట్ వర్క్స్ దానికి సంబంధించిన ప్రాజెక్ట్ సెట్టింగ్ అప్ అదంతా జరుగుతుంది ఇప్పుడు. So yeah, there's a lot of planning and all that happening. Kabatti, it's tough. We're trying to. I'll try and watch some episodes later on. Yeah. Sangeeta, thank you so much. Please say hi to the entire family on my behalf. Yeah. Reading. I'm trying to read all the messages. Hi Bhagya. Hey. Some of your handles are super difficult to read, Kabatti. It's taking a little time. Hi Pawan. What's up? డైలాగ్ కావాలా? ఏం చెప్పాలి? స్క్రిప్ట్ కోసమే చెప్పొచ్చా డైలాగ్? కామ్గా కూర్చొని వెయిట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటాను. ఆ స్టోరీ వచ్చేదాకా వెయిట్ చేయాలి. ఇట్స్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ బికాస్ దట్ మూవ్ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో getting that story right, getting the script right, getting the dialogues right, ప్రీ-ప్రొడక్షన్ ఒక ఎత్తు అయితే మళ్ళీ ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ ఇంకో ఎత్తు. సో ఐ నీడ్ టు సార్ట్ ఆఫ్ గెట్ దట్ రైట్. స్మార్ట్ చందర్, వాట్సాప్? హాయ్ శ్రీలేఖ. హాయ్ వినీత, వాట్సాప్? Hey Deekshit, what's up man? నేను తిన్నా, మీరు తిన్నారా? హాయ్ గోపిచంద్, హాయ్ యోజిత. About Noi is chilling. He's good. His smile బాగుంది. Thank you. Favorite Disney movie? I wouldn't know. I mean, I can't remember the last Disney movie I saw. Does Star Wars count? Yeah. Hi Rohit. Hey 2002. 2002 లో ఏం జరిగింది? 2002 లో చాలా జరిగింది. Hi Lucky 12. What's up? Yeah, I'll try and do a live with one of those guys as well, with all of them. Let's see what happens. Hi Jayashri. Hi Sidhu. Hi Ro. Sorry, I missed that. Hey Viharika. Thank you. I'm good. How are you? Okay, you guys have a lot of questions. I'm good, yeah. Okay, don't ask me about what? Interview. I missed that. Yeah, so Rohit, hi Rohit, Kundamanchali Aditya, hey, what's up man, how are you? So yeah, there are a few things being planned. Chepta, Anni Mela I think will be released on Instagram only. So yeah. Right now I'm in Hyderabad. My favorite series I think will probably be Game of Thrones. Sort of, yeah, I don't know about the way it ended. That's a little confusing, but yeah, definitely Game of Thrones. That's one of them at least. Hi Shiva, hi Bhumi, hi Vanuja. Sweetie, I don't know what your chai. Please ask me again. I'll tell you. I'm sorry, I might have missed your questions. And yeah, hi. Kavya, we'll try to come to Chennai as well. We'll try. Inka cheppandi, what's happening in terms of how many of you guys are doctors? How many of you guys are engineers? I see a lot of hi Suraj. Yes. Hi Srivani. హాయ్ నీలమా, వాట్సాప్. అందరు బాగున్నారు. థ్యాంక్ యూ యాంథనీ ఫర్ ఆస్కింగ్. ఐ హోప్ మీరు అందరు కూడా బాగున్నారు. హాయ్ స్వాతి, వాట్సాప్. Okay, so guys, it's time for me to wrap up, and I'll probably try and catch you again sometime very soon. And thank you so much again for watching and for liking and for voting and everything that you guys have done. It's pretty amazing. It's pretty awesome. I want you guys to know that I'm very grateful, very thankful for all of it. And I think I'll see you guys again soon. And all the best. Stay safe. And good luck guys, all of you. Okay, ciao. Okay, any more questions before I bounce? Padamanalla, fly over this, let's go. Any more questions for me? Any last minute questions that I have not answered? Thanks, Soumya. We will. Hey, what's up? So I'll see you guys, and I'm sorry if I missed a few names. It's been really difficult to try and catch up everything that you guys have been saying. Hi, Lucky. I'll see you guys soon. You take care, and be safe. How do we close this?